Today's topic is to add the leading zeros in a string. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. The method one, that is by using an rjust method, and the method two by using an zfill method. Let's start from the first method, that is by using an rjust method. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to take the input from the user for entering a string and for entering that how much number of zeros does a user want. After that we are creating another variable x, which is going to sum up the n plus the length of the string to get a total number of a length of our string. And after that we are going to use an rjust over here. So it passes the two parameters over here. The first parameter, which is up to what should be the length of the string on which we are going to modify it, and there's zeros over here, so you can even add a number or any sort of a special characters rather than the zeros. So it's going to add that in front of our string, which is basically same as a padding. After that we are storing that in the string number 2 and we have them as an output. Let's say I have a string of AAA and I need 4 more zeros, and as you can see, the 4 more zeros are added in the first, and after that we get our string.